How to fix unsupported 16-bit application error on Windows. 1. Get the latest setup file for the affected program. 2. Run the program in compatibility mode. 3. Enable NT Virtual DOS Machine. To do so, run dism/online/enable feature/all/feature name ntvdm command as admin.